To start creating an MLA report in Google Docs, first open up a brand new Google document and go and check what your margins are. If you go to File, Page Setup, you want to ensure that all of your margins are 1 inch. And you can do that just checking over here on the right side. Mine already are 1 inch, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Second thing we want to do is an MLA report is entirely double spaced. So I'm going to use my line spacing tool up here and change it to double spacing. And that will make sure that every time I press enter or word wrap, there will be a blank line between my spaces. Next, step 3 is you want to insert a header. Do that by going to the insert menu, go down to header, and you'll see a gray line appear. And whatever I type above this gray line will appear on all the pages of my MLA report. Everything in this report should be size 12, so I'm going to change my font size to size 12. I'm going to change it to right alignment. I'm going to go ahead and type in my last name and a space. After that, I want to insert a page number. Now, I don't want to just type a number 1, or that will appear on every page as page 1. Instead, I want to go to Insert, Page Number, and choose the first option, which, since this is page 1, it will put a 1 in, but you can see how it's highlighted, indicating that it's going to change itself on each page. Now that I'm done with the header, I'm going to make sure I click below this gray line to continue working on my report. This first page is going to be the outline, so I want to first verify that my font is size 12. Again, make sure that mine is still on double spacing. Make sure that doesn't accidentally switch back. And then in the top left corner, I want to put in the following heading. I want to put in your name, so that would be the writer's name. You want to put in the teacher's name. You want to put in the course name, along with a comment and what period you're in. And you want to put in your due date of the paper, and this due date happens to be Friday, so we're going to go ahead and put in Friday's date, which is the 23rd. We want to do that in full format. After that, we want to press enter 1 time, center our cursor, and go ahead and put in the title of our report. For this one, the title happens to be, let's see, Software Piracy. Press enter again, move myself over here to the left, and when I'm ready to start my outline, I want to use my auto outline. My numbered list is up here, and you'll notice on this particular layout, the bottom center option is the actual outline that uses Roman numerals and capital letters. Turn that on, and I'm going to start with my first main topic for the outline, which is introduction. And when I'm ready for a subtopic, I'm going to press enter, and then you'll see my Roman numeral appears. But if I press tab, it will move this in so that I have a capital letter. So this will be, all right, my 2 subtopics. Press enter again. And now I'm ready for my Roman numeral 2. So when I press enter, it does a C. If I press shift tab, it'll move me back. I can also use either one of these increase or decrease indent options here as well. And then I can just go ahead and continue through this and typing in everything that I need for each of my subjects. Now when I get to a section here where I need to do a extra subheading, I just simply hit tab twice. And I'm ready for my next Roman numeral, so I'll hit shift tab 2 times to bring me back out. to my other one. All right. If I've done this correctly, this should just barely fit onto one page.